Good morning. The topic that we are going to discuss today is marginal utility analysis and consumers equilibrium. So let us first start with consumer equilibrium. What does consumer equilibrium stands for? So consumer equilibrium means equilibrium means a state of rest or a position of no change. Equilibrium means here a consumer is said to be in a equilibrium when he does not intend to change his level of consumptions. Means he derived maximum satisfaction on the money spent on the commodity, and from that commodity he is having the maximum satisfaction. So that point is known as equilibrium point. Equilibrium means a state of rest or a position of no change. So here consumer equilibrium refers to the situation when a customer is having maximum satisfaction with limited income, has no tendencies to change his way of existing expenditure. Okay, means the income he is spending on the particular commodity, he is satisfied with it, he is having the maximum satisfaction, and now he is having not intent of changing the way of his expenditure. Okay, now here question arises ki how much a commodity a consumer buys so that he maximizes his satisfaction and attain the point of equilibrium. Means up to what limit he must consume that commodity, or he can purchase that commodity so that he will be at the point of equilibrium. And this we will study in two cases: when only one commodity is consumed and when two or more commodity is consumed. So first case we will study कि when only one commodity is consumed. So from here onwards we can take scale. Two utilities is equal to rupees 1. So marginal utilities in terms of rupees, how will calculate? Here when commodity we are purchasing, consuming, the marginal utility of that is 20. So marginal utility in terms of rupees will become 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Same in this case, 18 divided by 2, here is 9. When he is consuming the third commodity, the marginal utility is 16. So 16 divided by 2, it's coming 8. Now in fourth case, marginal utility is 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Here the marginal utility in terms of rupees is equal to the commodity consumed. Here in this position, the consumer is in state of equilibrium. If he moves further, the marginal utility will come in negative. Divided by 0 divided by 2, 0. Minus 5 divided by 2 equal to minus 2.5. So this is the marginal utility in terms of rupees. At what point the consumer will be? At the point of equilibrium, when he consumed the fourth commodity, the marginal utility in terms of rupees will be equal. So at this point he is at the equilibrium, consumer is at the point of equilibrium. Let us understand the same concept with the graph. Here we will draw one graph. Consumer equilibrium graph in case of one commodity. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Here we are taking the consumption of commodity. Commodity is our x, and here we are taking marginal utility, marginal utility in terms of rupees. Okay, in terms of rupees. Marginal utility in terms of price, or we can say marginal utility and here this we can cut marginal utilities and price of commodity. Okay, price of commodity. Rough diagram we will draw here. As we have seen the data कि our curve marginal utility in terms of rupee, marginal utility in terms of rupees is coming downwards, 10, 9, 8, 4, 0. When we have the consumption 1, marginal utility is 10. Means when we are not consuming, marginal utility is 0. So we will start from here 0, marginal utility is 0. Okay, and same way the curve will come like this. So this is our consumer equilibrium point, and the point where this is 4 and here this point will be the point when the consumption of commodity 4 is here. This point will be, let us name it, this point is A, this one is C, this one is B, this one is C. Okay, so this point A, from the initial point when the consumption is 0, our marginal utility and the price is also 0. And then when we start drawing the marginal utility curve at the point B where the price and the price of the commodity is 4 and utility is also 4, the consumption of 4 units, we are in the position of equilibrium. This is the point of equilibrium. Here we can say that price of X commodity is equal to marginal utility of X commodity in terms of rupees. Here in this graph what we have observed, the marginal utility curve is sloping downward. As we consuming 1 more unit of consumption, our marginal utility curve starts declining and it's coming downward. PX indicates market price of the commodity. It is fixed for the consumer and it takes to the equal to rupees. Here we have taken 4. Marginal utility curves shows that marginal utility in terms of money indicates that price that the consumer is willing to pay for such successive unit of the commodity. Equilibrium is stuck at the point C when the price he is willing or pay exactly equal to the price he actually pays. In state of equilibrium, the consumer buys 4 units of commodity of X. So this is the consumer equilibrium curve and point of equilibrium in case of one commodity.